pretty in your red dress. Na mga documents ba, mga supporting documents pala yung mga kailangan naming ipasa sa kanya. Tapos sabi niya kung maano daw yun, kung Gandang hapon mga kachika. Papunta na naman kami ng library. Ano na pala, 1:20 ng hapon. Ay, dito ka ma. Hi, Sa.
I didn't say bye. Look,
Yeah.
that's Charlie, look.
Gym or not?
Oh,
No, it's just in the front.
Hi, Charlie.
Yeah?
The pizza.
Room. Is this room?
Huh?
Malapit na kami sa library, may mga kachika. May ano na naman kami, meron kami ipapaprint na naman. Marami naman ito ipapahabol namin kasi nag-email kahapon yung solicitor na kailangan namin ng ganito, ng ganyan. So,
Oh, yeah, there's
kulang pala yung binigay namin dun sa kanya. Gusto niya pa ng dagdag na mga documents.
Oh, just to say what class
Same room. Oh, this
It's your hat, yeah. Okay, you go get your hat first. Mr. doon nagbabayad ng parking mga kachika. Okay, go your hat please.
and nice for me.
Okay, get your hat. Go, 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 go. You can go in there. Go there first. You go there. I mean, and Daddy go this way. We just wait. Do it here. This here, huh? We do it here, the photocopy, huh?
Oh, I got that in school.
That's how you do a photocopy. Go, you go in there. Or that side. Which side you want to go? Look, you go.
This side. Hot. I think we have chicken pox too.
chicken pox.
Chicken pork.
What's got chicken pox?
Nothing. He's talking drama.
I think we have chicken pox too.
Yeah.
Stop it. Stop it, Elisa.
Oh, yeah, now.
Very, very busy. Dito kami sa beach mga kachika pala. Pero hindi talaga dapat ito yung plano namin. Pumunta na lang kami dito kasi nga medyo malamig din. Yeah. Hello, run, run, run! It's coming! May dala naman akong bihisan dyan sa kanila mga kachika. Run, run, run! Gustong gusto niya na hinahabol siya ng ng tide. Ayan ba? Ng alon. Come here, Sa! Quickly!
Yeah, sure.
Ang daming seaweeds dito banda mga kachika. Yung kanina ananuhan ng mga bata, walang seaweed doon. Lumipat kami dito kasi wala ganong mga bata dito na side. Sila-sila lang. Yeah. Malinis naman. Seaweed nga lang, maraming Baliktad na. Lalagay yun na boat. Rough.
I'm in the boat.
Rough.
Oh, the guy just waiting there.
Ayan. Pauwi na kami mga katiko. Alam ko nung oras na. Meron pala akong relo pero hindi naman ito nakasit. Siguro mga 4 o'clock daddy no?
Huh?
I think it's 4 o'clock.
What? Yeah, it's 4. We've got plenty of time.
Pauwi na nga kami. dinala lang namin yung mga bata kasi.
Mama, Dad, there. Can I go window down?
Okay,
Yeah,
when the car
wait.
starts. Hmm.
You have to keep quiet now, okay? All of you. Your window down?
You look pretty in your red dress.
Window there.
Alisa,
I want to
and
go
you as
there,
well.
Mommy.
He's too big for that, Alisa.
Lisa,
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I was little.
Mm.
Alisa was very. She was sitting there.
Mm-hmm. Kaya tara.
Desperate for toilet.
Are you? Oh dear. Okay, need to run. Run, run, run.
Mama, you got dragon fruit in a list.
Oh yeah, we have a look if they got the
Dragon fruit. We know to try dragon fruit.
Oh,
dinosaur fruit.
Daddy, stop it saying that. Let's get dragon fruit.
Ay, nag-ano na. Nilagay ko ba daw sa lista yung dragon fruit kasi matagal na yan nagpaplano na. Gusto namin i-try magbili ng kumain ng dragon fruit mga kachika. Sige lang mag-try. Sabi ko, maghanap tayo. So ilang beses na kami nagpunta dito.
Look at this one.
It's cute, no?
I want to buy it.
Okay, wait when it's on sale. This one as well, nice green.
For the kids.
Nagantay kami Mr. mga kachika kasi nandoon siya sa food hall. Sa Alisa, ang sarap-sarap na pahiga-higa. Daddy is coming! Diyos ko, 2, 3 lang yung lista niya. Ngayon, ang puno-puno na. Kami na, driver! Let's go! Driver! Okay.
Daddy, you got the
What happened to your that one, Lisa?
Oh. So can I go to the Sainsbury's?
No, it's too busy in there, love.
You get corn, Daddy, huh?
Daddy, I want to come with you.
Okay, thanks.
Yay! I want to come with you.
Oh no, just one stay here. One go with Daddy, one stay here.
I want to get that. I want that one, this one. There's only one people.
Oh, it doesn't matter. Come on, if you want.
Dad, I want this one. Get that. Shopping cat. Shopping cat. Mama, just close the door for
No, I don't need to close it.
Wait a minute. Oh, okay, it's hot.
Bye-bye.
Wait a minute, what am I getting? A whole fish, minced pork. Cabbage.
Corn.
Oh, right, okay.
Daddy, can I use that?
Wait till we go and sing.
See you later. Agoy, gustong-gusto niya sumakay dyan sa yung pang-baby daw. Sasakay daw sa dyan. Hoy, I want more. That one, Lisa. You're too big for that, Lisa. See you later.
A few moments later.
I heard you. Oh my goodness.
Stitch. Stitch.
His mother's disgusted.
Stitch.
I need to go over there and get some prawns.
How much is that?
I want to get off this one. Can I kiss it off?
Later na. Oh my goodness. You can buy that in Primark.
How much?
It's cheap.
How much?
Cheaper, I'm not sure. £6, £7.
10p.
How much in there?
2 for 1.
Let's pick it up.
Sus, ginoo ko. Yung daddy talaga, hindi talaga makapag,
Stitchy.
sabi ng no. Pero hindi, paminsan-minsan lang din naman mga kachika. Ibang mga ganyan nila, pinagbibinta ko na nga eh. Yan na, Alisa, tinanggal yung niya, ipit niya eh. Oh, nandito lang pala, ipit niya.
Take this off. The paper.
I just do Alisa's hair.
I gotta take it off.
Need to go to Boots as well.
Wait, do we go? I'm gonna do it. I see. What's this? To the grandma? Oh, hello. I'm Stitch. Stitch. What's your name? Huh? What's your name? I'm asking you, okay? 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 It's me. Stitchy. Stitchy. Stitch. Stitch.
Bumalik si Mr. doon sa M&S mga kachika kasi bibili dapat yun siya ng prawns kasi yun daw yung ulamin namin tonight. Kaya pumunta siya ng Sainsbury's kasi mas maganda doon sa Sainsbury's yung prawns nila kasi malalaki mga kachika ba compare dito sa M&S. So nagpunta siya ng Sainsbury's, sila ng mga bata. Pagdating doon, wala na daw kasi Saturday ngayon. Alam niyo na pag Saturday maraming nagpo-food shopping. Tapos late na din. Pabili pa ganito yung mga bata. Oh,
I forgot to say.
what are you going to say?
Forgot it.
Forgot it. So ayun, dito na yung mga documents. Ito yung mga documents na ito mga kachika. Ano na lang to yung pina-photocopy namin ba kanina doon sa may library. And then yun na nga, yung iba, yung mena namin yung para isi-send namin doon sa solicitor, sinend namin kayo na doon sa may doon ba sa may post office na malapit sa school nila. Alina, pumunta pa kami doon kanina talaga bago kami nagpunta ng beach. So at least ayun, nasendan din namin sana magtuloy-tuloy na kasi sabi ng solicitor na nag-email siya sa amin na hindi daw enough yung sinend namin doon sa kanya na documents mga kachika, which is nag-worry na siya ba? Medyo nag-worry na siya kasi daw ma-extend na naman daw yung ma-extend na naman yung pag-renew ko ng aking visa, tapos yung taga home office daw nag-aantay na daw ng mga documents ba, mga supporting documents pala yung mga kailangan naming ipasa sa kanya. Tapos sabi niya kung maano daw yun, kung ma-late na naman daw, ma-delayed na naman daw yung pagkaano ng visa ko, ganun. Sabi niya matatagalan na tuloy. So kailangan kasi talaga maano na kasi nga, 'di ba? Sa ngayon okay pa din naman ako kasi napaprocess naman talaga na dito na pala si Mr. Napaprocess naman talaga ako ng visa. Pero yun nga, kailangan talaga madaliin ba kasi nga time is running. Dito na pala saglit lang yung isa. So, kaya ayan, sana maano natin to, maayos na din to ba? Para na din makapagtrabaho na ako. Kasi na...
Mommy! I know why you stopped talking. You stopped talking. You were talking, but I forgot to say.
But
Ito lang naman bibilhin ko dito sa Boots mga kachika. Oh, dito na tayo daan. Oh my God, nasugat pa ako mga kachika dito sa tuhod.
Mama,
Na ano nang ano?
glass crack.
Yeah, kasi di ba bumili ako ng vitamins sa mga bata.
How was your name?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah. Yung bubog ba, tumalsik mga kachika. Yeah, tumalsik. Kasi naglalakad na ako, tapos yung, di ba alam nyo yun yung box pa ng vitamins.
Can I see,
Yung
Mama?
kabila pala, open na siya. So, pagdating ko na dito, habang tumatagal naglakad ako, si tatlo yung bitbit
Can I
ko,
have a look, Mama?
ito, tapos yung isa, laki, bigla bang nahulog. Ano pa dito sa ano ko?
Oh, what are you
There's
done
ma-
this one?
Broken over there.
Why are you doing
Yan yung vitamins mga kachika, oh.
I can see it.
Yeah.
Can I see? Oh yeah, yes. You need some help.
Yan yung isa, oh. Nakabihis na. Pero baliktad pa yung damit. Nagawa ako ng strawberry shake mga kachika kasi meron din kaming tira-tira na raspberry but tapos ito yung strawberry na to, luma na to nung last pa na nag-shopping si Mr. Kaya gagawin ko na lang siyang shake, ganyan, kaysa masira pa. Hindi na yung anong makakain kasi lalo na may binili na naman si Mr. na fresh na strawberry. So, masayang ba? Inom pala ako dito ng tubig ba na ni Gamgam. Kunin ko lang yung ano dito.
You make some strawberry shake.
Yeah, I make strawberry shake. 7:30 na pala mga kachika yung mga bata. Hindi pa nakakain. Pero maluluto na din yung soup nila. Gagawin ko lang to. Okay, close the door. Tumakbo si Alisa kasi too loud daw. Papakainin ko na din yan sila soon. Medyo late na ba? Pero okay lang kasi okay lang naman na malate yan sila. Kaya sila papakainin pag weekend ba. Manda rin natin to. Yun. Ano ba yung lasa nito? Strawberry, kaka-raspberry lang yan mga kachika. Yeah, all done. Lagyan ko lang ng milk.
I'll use a glass.
Medyo maasim. Gabi. Agoy, dun. Uy, ginoo ko. Ating tunyos na glass. Tunyos na glass kaya natatakot ako nito. Kaya medyo manipis pa naman to ba. Medyo maasim man. Uy.
Mommy!
What are you going to say?
Thank you.
You're welcome. I got it na.
Okay.
Dali.
Thank you, Mama.
Welcome. You smell very good, Lina. What have you been doing?
Where is it?
I'm going to. Just put down.
That one, the strawberries are really sour.
Sour? I'm gonna put some yogurt. You wanna put some yogurt?
Yeah.
Yogurt drink. Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
So it goes sweet. Dali.
Color to it.
Mm.
Thank you. I'm gonna stay sweet.
Lutuan ko na lang sila nito. Kasi promise ko kayo na ano ba, bibigyan ko kayo mamaya, sabi ko ano tayo.
Okay.
Nagpunta pala kami ng cafe, tapos sabi ko sa kanya doon kami sa beach na magbili tayo ng fries sa cafe, chips pa. Di ba, nakalimutan pala namin.
So sweet.
Naglalaga din sana ako ng potato kasi yun sana ipapa-extra ko. Nakalimutan ko na ito pala yung promise ko sa kanya kanina na magluto kami ng fries sa bahay. You mix it, yeah.
Keep mixing.
Our ulam for tonight, mga kachika. Yeah, Sainsbury's are big ones that you know. Not much, but it's like only 11, 10 pieces.
Ah, yeah. I don't know. You get more with it?
This one is more.
Yeah, I know the more pieces, but more weight. I don't know.